So here's how to add Google Conversion Pixel to Wix. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Wix account. Once you are logged into your Wix account, now here you have to go to the dashboard. After that, here you have to simply go to the marketing and SEO tools, and now here you have to click on the marketing integration tools. Once you click on the marketing integration, now it will take you to this page where you will be able to view all of these options. From here you have to simply click on the Google tags. Once you click on the Google tag manager, now here you have to click on the connect option. Once you click on the connect option, now it will take you to this page. After that, here at this page you will be able to view the option to add your code. Now you have to add your code. As you can see that I didn't upgraded my account. If your account is upgraded, you will be able to view this option here. Here you have to simply copy and paste your Google Pixel code. So that's how to add Google Conversion Pixel to Wix.